All right, welcome back to looking at masking. So last time we did gradient mask. This time I want to look at doing it with ActionScript. So we'll just do the basics of the ActionScript version, and then we'll start to mix up all of that we've done so far in basically in later episodes. I think that'll be a good way to do it. So we've gone back to our beginning point, which is just this movie clip, which we've got in here. Just so what we're going to do this time is we're going to basically give it an instance name for the movie clip. So we're going to give it a, let's see, what do we call it? Crystals, yeah. So we'll call it crystals underscore MC. So we can say it's crystals and it's movie clip, right? All right. So now we want to have our mask. So we'll have our mask in here. We'll just do something like this. Let's have a look. So we want to just mask out this area here, right? So basically any solid color, I believe, should work here. All right. So then what we want to do with this is we can then select this and we can convert this into a movie clip of its own. So what should we call this one? Call it circle. Let's just call it. It will do circles here. This might be the way to do it. Circles here, and then again we're going to look at the properties of this one, and we're going to do circles underscore MC. Right? Is then we're going to have an actions section. So go to actions, and press F9 to get that open. And I've made it massive, like everything. I appreciate the scale, by the way. It's a bit. So this is pretty straightforward. All we have to do is we've got our crystals underscore MC. We want to mask that, right? So we're going to do that. And then we're going to equal that into circles. All right. Did I call it circle or circles? I think I called it circles, right? Let's have a look. So a good way to look at that is you can just go to properties. You can just click on the, so we've got circles underscore MC, and then we can click on this one. And we can see in the object crystals underscore MC. So that should be everything. And there you can see we've got a mask there. So like I say, we'll talk more about how to build up, to do some of the other things we've done with gradient masks, try and mix it all with ActionScript, and we'll try and go on a bit more of a journey with this. So thanks for watching.